What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how I fixed the electric fan in my E46 BMW by replacing only the control module on this. So usually when these E-fans fail on these cars, it's because of the control module here. The fan itself, the motor is still fine, but sometimes the module will behave erratically. It won't turn on the fan for certain speeds, or sometimes the fan will stay running even after it should shut off. All right, just the T20 Torx. Pretty easy removal. So now we'll take it in and put on the new control module. Alright, so the 4 screws here are also T20s. And they do all appear to be the same length. I'm going to try to leave us with as much slack as possible. Okay, so there's the old and the new one. Looks like it should pretty much be plug and play. Okay, so the black wire up top is going to go to the white, and then the ground wire here is going to go to the black on the new control module. All right. So I used a pair of pliers to sort of hold this wire while I was tugging on it here. Looks like the 12 gauge wire slot worked the best there. This one's gonna be a little trickier. It's pretty much already pre-stripped, so that's nice. All right, now I'm gonna crimp it down. So I'm keeping some downward pressure on it as I start the crimp here. All right, that looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw this down. Actually looks like it's a pretty good fit there, just in the original screw hole sockets. All right. All right. I do have a strong grip. All right, guys. So there we have it. This looks all set. All right. So with those zip tied down and all secured, we're gonna go ahead and slide the fan back in. Alright, just like that. Alright, I'm going to start her up and turn on the AC if that cooling fan comes on. Yes, it is working. I can feel the air blowing there. Let's go. Having that airflow over the AC condenser and the radiator is critical for getting the air conditioning to work, especially at low speeds, like sitting in traffic at a stoplight. So this is awesome. I'm stoked that it worked, and stoked that I can share this with you guys and help any other E46 owners out there that are having this issue.